Christmas in July, it's becoming a bit of a thing here in Australia, and I think we're starting to embrace it. I'm going to show you how to make the most amazing, festive Chinese 5-spice cranberry glazed whole roasted duck. We've got a whole jar of cranberry sauce, 1 tablespoon of Chinese 5-spice powder, a good pinch of salt, and some freshly ground black pepper, and just a 1/4 cup of water. We're gonna go over to the stove now and just warm that through until we get a beautiful glazed consistency. I absolutely love fennel, and I just want to chop this into just nice wedges. Then we've got some beautiful pears, cutting these into wedges as well. I'm just going to season our pear and fennel a little bit. All right, now we bring back our beautiful 5-spice cranberry glaze. What we're gonna do now is use half of the glaze, and then halfway through the cooking time, we're gonna take it out of the oven, give it another glaze. Oven set to 190 degrees. This will take about an hour and 20, hour and 30. Now it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. That skin has just become sticky and caramelized and luscious. Duck, yeah! My Chinese 5-spice cranberry whole roasted duck. This Christmas in July, you pop this on your dinner table for your family and friends, and you will be an absolute hero. Give it a quack.